I'm your Komali ma'am. In this session, I'm going to give you solution to the test yourself which I gave in the previous video, different types of solvents finding. And let us see the first question. Check it out your answers. Hydrogen connected to this. First, electronegativity difference you can see, polar solvent. Electronegativity, carbon, oxygen. Oxygen is 3.5, carbon is 2.5. Electronegativity difference is there. Polar solvent. Oxygen, hydrogen. Electronegativity difference, polar. See, these all are polar solvents except this benzene. Why? If similar atoms, then non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent. Dimethyl formamide, everything, all these are non-polar. So all in every case we can see the electronegativity difference between carbon, oxygen, oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. So these all are polar solvents except benzene and non-polar. These are not non-polar, these are polar solvents, okay. And coming to the polar, two types. One is polar protic, another one is polar aprotic. The case where hydrogen connected with oxygen, or hydrogen connected with oxygen, hydrogen connected with oxygen, not connected, not connected, not connected. Here dimethyl formamide structure is not connected, correct? Dimethyl formamide not connected, not connected. So this is also not connected. Dimethyl acetamide also, here CH3 will come, not connected, okay. So in this, not connected, not connected, not connected, okay. What are polar aprotic solvents? Remaining all, this is a polar aprotic, very good. And question number, option number 5 is a polar aprotic solvents, 6 is a polar aprotic solvent, 7 is a polar aprotic solvent. Remaining all polar, this also polar aprotic solvent, this also polar aprotic solvent. So what is a polar aprotic solvent, students? The solvent in which there is a electronegativity difference. This is polar aprotic. Next, polar aprotic, polar aprotic, polar aprotic, and polar aprotic. 10th one is a polar aprotic. How to identify? The one in which there is electronegativity difference but cannot give H+. In which case it can give H+? Hydrogen connected with oxygen. Hydrogen H2O. Hydrogen connected with oxygen. Hydrogen connected with oxygen. Or hydrogen connected with nitrogen, hydrogen connected with sulfur, hydrogen connected with the fluorine. Those are only polar protic solvents. Remaining non-polar protic solvents, dimethyl formamide, dimethyl acetamide, dimethyl sulfoxide, acetone, all are polar aprotic solvents. Clear, students? Check it out your answers and see you again in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.